It's finally here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. It's finally here. So let's take a look and let's open this box up. Alright, so what did I get from Bulk Reef Supply? Well, I picked up a number of different things. First of all, it's very important to test your tank, so I picked up some Salifert calcium and alkalinity test kits, as well as some GFO. Now, I use GFO on my tank, and so I had to get more as time to replace. Usually around this time every year I get a new container of GFO. Now, there's a few things in here that I purchased that I've never used before that I wanted to try out and give you guys a review in future videos so that you know if it's the right product for you or if it's something that maybe you want to give a shot. So one of those items is the Marine Pure High Performance Biofilter Media. It's for freshwater and saltwater. So this is a biofilter media that you place down in your sump that helps eliminate the ammonia, the nitrite, helps reduce nitrate by allowing beneficial bacteria to grow on this media. So very nice. I'm excited to try that out in my sump to see how it works. Now, another thing that I got that I would like to try out is this right here, and I'm very excited about this. This is the Bulk Reef Supply CO2 absorbent media. Now, I'm excited to try this out and let you guys know how I like it. And the way this works is it works with a reactor here. You have these little CO2 pellets that you fill up your reactor, and the reactor, instead of pulling in water like your GFO or your carbon reactors, this actually pulls in air. You can hook it up to your protein skimmer, so that way the air that is pulled into this will then go into your protein skimmer and then mix in with your water. So what actually happens is that this CO2 media, as it absorbs the air from the room, is pulling out the CO2 from the air, allowing clean oxygen into your tank. So that should result in a few things. That should result in an increase of pH for your tank. So if you have trouble keeping your pH at that beloved 8.3 area, this is one way to keep that pH up and to keep it staying up there. And what that also does at higher pH levels, your corals actually pull more out of the water. So they're using more of that calcium, more of that alkalinity to grow their calcium carbonate skeleton. So I'm excited to try this to let you guys know how it works in my system and how cost effective it really is to keep purchasing this time after time. So I'm excited about this as well. A few other things I got is basically my calcium and alkalinity buffer. This is the two-part that I use. This is the ESV B-Ionic. I use this on the 210-gallon reef, so I had to get a refill. I had to get more supply of that. And then it's also that time of year when your RODI membranes need to be changed. I picked up two of those. These are the FilmTec reverse osmosis membranes. FilmTec is very, very good, best on the market, so I would recommend these for your RODI unit. So that's it. That's everything in the box. Just wanted to let you guys know some of the things that I picked up for my tank, and I look forward to sharing them with you in future videos, especially the CO2 absorbent media and marine pure block. So not only did I want to share with you some of the things that I purchased from Bulk Reef Supply, I also wanted to do a contest giveaway. You guys have been supporting this channel for such a long time, and the Coral Reef Talk continues to grow. We're up almost to 5,000 subscribers. So remember, if you'd like to be a part of the contest and you'd like to enter for your chance to win either Chemi Pure Blue or Cobalt Aquatics Flake Food, then click on this video link right here. It'll take you to the 2018 Kickoff Giveaway, where I explain the rules of how to enter the contest, and then once we reach 5,000 subscribers, I will do a random drawing to see who wins. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Leave me some comments down below on what type of videos you guys would like to see, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.